This is Tea with Queens, where we don't follow the gossip, we lead it.
From celeb chaos to glam scandals, we call it like we see it.
Unfiltered, unbothered, unapologetic.
So we've got a pretty wild celebrity legal saga unfolding. Blake Lively isn't holding back on Perez Hilton. She's accusing him of slandering her over the past year, right?
Yeah, And it's not just a few remarks, it's like over 500 videos, 400 headlines, and a ton of posts disparaging her.
Exactly. It's like an incessant barrage, almost a whole campaign. Her lawyer, Ezra Hudson, laid it all out, citing that Hilton even has an entire page on his site dedicated to her.
Yeah, right. That detail really caught my attention, because it shows how extensive the coverage has been. What do you make of Hilton's response?
Well, Hilton's response is, almost defiant. He called her filing laughable and said her case has turned into a circus.
Indeed. It's like the classic clash of reputation versus reputation, isn't it? But I've got to ask, isn't it a bit of a stretch to claim it was a coordinated effort to smear her, especially with the backdrop of her ongoing feud with Justin Baldoni?
That's a great point, Blake Lively claims that bloggers like Hilton have conspired with, Justin Baldoni's team to ruin her public image. And adding to that, she's, suing Baldoni for sexual harassment and retaliation.
Right, so we're seeing multiple legal fronts here. It makes the whole thing feel, very multi-layered and sort of like a drama unfolding on multiple screens.
Exactly, it's like a telenovela, but in the real world. And look, Perez Hilton even mentioned jurisdiction issues. He said that if Blake wants to force him to comply with her subpoena, she needs to do it in his territory, which is Las Vegas.
Yep, that's interesting. That's an intriguing legal twist, right? Instead of addressing the content, he's highlighting procedural points. Do you think this strategy might undermine her claims?
Well, it could be seen as an attempt to, deflect from the substance of the allegations. But still, the evidence of over 500 videos and 400 headlines is pretty damning, in my opinion.
Yeah, I see that. It seems that while Hilton's strategy is to call out the procedural mishaps, Lively's camp is focused on the broader narrative of, a long-running smear campaign.
Precisely. And as if it isn't complex enough, there's also this aspect where another content creator, Lauren Neidig, filed a protective order against Lively, alleging intimidation and harassment tactics.
That really adds another layer, right? Absolutely. It's like we're witnessing a collision of celebrity disputes where reputations, legal strategies, and public perceptions all come into play simultaneously.
And, it's a reminder of how the digital age turns personal feuds into such public spectacles.
Yeah, indeed. It really makes you think about the influence of social media and how these conflicts escalate so rapidly.
Exactly. It's like every post, every headline is another piece of the puzzle in this very charged narrative.
Definitely, Well, it'll be interesting to see how this all plays out in court and whether these claims will reshape public opinion.